front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!